Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Chosic here, and welcome back to Football Kit Archive. The sort of voting kit game that we tried last time, it was fine. Made a couple of interesting ones, so let's just try it out again. Let's see what happens here. Let's see what our first one is. Let's see. Saudi Arabia 2017 home. It's just a white kit, isn't it? We've been through this. Functional. It's a kit that represents the country. Functional is the crest. Functional 3 stars. Let's go. Something interesting. Let's go. Come on. Deportivo Toluca. I believe this is Mexico or something. I don't know. I have actually no idea. Take a closer look. Can we? Liga MX. That's right. It's a Mexican one. Kind of plain. It's just really plain, I guess. Give me 2 stars for. I expect more from a club jersey. You know, country jersey. You know, if it's just one color, I think it's fine. But I expect more if it's a club jersey. I mean, what the fuck is this? Shonan Bellmare. Is it Japanese? J-League, that's right. Penalty. Oh god, my god. Like, what is this? My god. It's absolutely disgusting. It looks like a diaper actually. This fucking thing at the bottom. Oh, it looks disgusting. Look at all these fucking logos. They aren't even nice logos. They are fucking 1 stars. Disgusting. Zenit St. Petersburg. Wow, Gazprom. Wow, for a GK jersey, it's surprisingly pleasant to look at. I like this pattern. It looks like kind of futuristic, really. I really like this. I really do like this. Like the futuristic sort of pattern here. It's kind of cool. And it's kind of mirrored as well. So I give it 4 stars. Let's go. Zenit St. Petersburg. Pretty interesting. Zwickau. This looks like it's Brazilian or something. 3 Liga. No, it's German. I don't know. The logo kind of reminds me of like a Brazilian club. Like they have all these really weird. Which club was it? It looks like this. Was it Santos or something? I don't know. But this is just it's just really plain. It's just 2 stars for me. Zwickau, I guess. Remo. Oh my god. Now this is definitely a Brazilian one. Brasileiro Serie B. You can tell because of the overlapping alphabets right here. Absolutely repulsive. Maybe this is a 1 star. Fucking repulsive. We're moving through this like nothing because it's all disgusting. Watford. I think the pattern is alright. It's passable. Wouldn't really associate it with Watford, but it's in a way kit. I'll give this a 3 stars. Manchester United 11-12. That's an interesting pattern, really. The black and red. Worn by the likes of Wayne Rooney, Michael Owen, Dimitar. Yeah, I got it. I don't know actually. I don't really like the look of this, but I think it's functional. It's 3 stars. Again, I think people are rating high because it gives them nostalgia, but I don't think it looks like. Oh Jesus Christ! Why is it long sleeve? This is Belarusian. Dynamo Minsk. Are you sure this is not a GK kit? This is like a GK kit. 3 stars. I mean, it's Belarusian. There can't be many Belarusian designers for them. Jules Tabia. This is Italian, isn't it? It is Serie C. Wow, what the? It's interesting. Very interesting. It's just basically have a watermark consisting of the logo. Why is it rated so high? It's a bit lazy, isn't it? Just pasted the logo again in like. It's just no. I'm sorry, everyone who rated this 1.5 stars. This is just no. Sint-Truiden in Netherlands, was it, or was it Belgium? Belgian, and this is amazing. Very, very cool looking one here. With a motif of leaves. Don't know what else. There's lots of plants and fauna, I guess. I mean flora, sorry. Lots of flora over this. I like it. Pretty good. 4 stars. I like it. It's the best one we've seen so far. Ooh, Torino. I always like Torino's kits. They're very classy, you know. Nice shade of red, big ass Suzuki logo, little Beretta at the top right. I guess that's the right side. Classic, very nice. I guess it's 4 stars. Very nice, very nice. Little bit of diamond pattern there as well. I like that. Gamma? The fuck is Gamma? It's Brasileiro Sirigi. It's an in-house as well. For some reason they pre-EMS twice. For an in-house effort, this is a horrible word to say. I think it's functional. Functional. GK kit, functional. Don't really like that deep V-neck collar though. Palmyra 79, it's functional. I think it's functional. I mean, it's classic. It's a classic white and green kit. Oxford United, 15-16 home. Ooh, let's see. Oh, I like that. The logo actually. They just put a bull on it. They cut off the rest of it really. Inspired by the shirt won the Milk Cup final win at Wembley 1986. Features subtle horizontal stripes in 2 shades of yellow, navy details. I like this. It's nice. Nice, very nice, classic. Why is there always blue shirts? There are always all these really shitty looking ones. I'm never going to look at this anymore. It's just 2 stars. Fuck it. Celtic. Wow. I mean, my cancer is a classic. It's the green and white hoops. Classic. I give it the 3 stars. It's a classic. Wow. Okay. Reminds me of Dortmund really. The yellow and black. Also reminds you of a. What was it? It reminds you of a DHL delivery man. That's what it reminds you of. Fuck off. Goalie kits are so bad. Oh my god. Oh, what is this? Social Montbellier, or whatever it is called. Social. What's the M stand for again? Fuck it, whatever. No, Marcus Thuram and Ibrahima Konate was at Chosic in 16-17. Chosic. Functional, I mean, there's nothing to shout about really, it's nothing to write home about. Sport Victoria. Which country are these guys from? Liga 2 Peru. Snow from me dog. Middlesbrough. 2010-11, nah. Hard pass. They recently beat Man United on pens, I believe it was 8-7, so it's kind of hilarious. Atlético Paranaense, it's a Brazilian club, I believe. Yep, a really old logo, I believe. This was in 2016. Absolutely filthy. Absolutely fucking filthy. Do not like, get away from me. Wow, wait. Kano Pilas from Nigeria. I like that actually, that is really sweet. Holy shit, look at that. Oh my god. It's like, oh my god. It's really avant-garde, isn't it? I like that a lot. I really do like that a lot. It's outrageously good. It's just outrageously good. It's so good, man. The colors, man. Oh my god. Let's take a look at it again. Oh my god. These are the other kits from the same manufacturer. You see, they're all very good looking as well. My god, this is amazing. You can look at the other kits. No, there's just this one, I guess, the mall. Kasim Pasa, I'm assuming this is Turkish. Because of the name. What kind of logo is that? It's just a dwarf. No, it's an adult and 2 children. Dinner. Nah, man, I mean. Tenerife, Spanish, I believe. Hamo. Ooh, I'm not sure about that. I do like the minimalistic logo and the sort of sponsor is not bad, but colors are disgusting. I mean, this is 3 stars. It has good and bad stuff to this. I think it is fine. Cotiba Pink October. Brazil? Is this? Ooh, I think it's fine. 3 stars, it is fine. I don't think it's as bad as people make it out to be. I think it's fine. It doesn't fit the club though. That's the thing. Atlético Nacional. What the fuck is this? Why is this 4.3 stars? Oh my god. I like the colors, but the design is a bit uninspiring. I mean, these are 2 stars. Okay, it's very refreshing, the blue and green. I mean, at first I was like, it's a bit weird colors, but now look at it again, I think that it's pretty okay. You know, it's pretty okay. The grass jab. Very, very bold. I like this a lot. It is very, very bold. You have to hand it to them. It is very, very bold. This is literally just a logo and there's nothing to it. I like that. It's very, very bold. 4 stars from me. Escoli 1617. And again, is it either blue or black and white? There's all this shitty nonsense that we're looking at. I mean, it is functional. If this is your club, I'm sorry, it is functional. It is functional. Yes, the club logo, sponsors are there. It is wearable and it's distinct, but it is very uninspiring. And I'm just looking for something a little bit more memorable, something that I can actually. God, Empoli. Wow. Apparently, find computers very gross. Nah, kind of reminds you of a Bayer Leverkusen shirt with the red and black. Wolverhampton Wanderers. Functional. I like the thick orange outlines, but that's about it. Well, we finally got a country. But it means Hungary, I guess. It's fine, functional. 3 stars, we're just blasting through this. I just want to see one more. Well, they got some serious moves right there. Bahraini Premier League, wow. Kind of like it actually. It's kind of very subtle, you know. I like the yellow sleeves really. I think it's fine. Very clean. I like that the sponsors are really nice and simple. There's the Romai from the kid itself. Borussia Mönchengladbach. Very nice for Cruzeiro too. Is it Banco Bandai or something? No, I was thinking about Namco Bandai. That's why it's a bit weird. It's like an amalgamation of Namco Bandai. It's put there in Banco. It's just weird. And also the fact it says BNG is Borussia Mönchengladbach. It's just weird as fuck. I mean, I'm just confused, but I really like Cruzeiro's logo right here, which is the stars right here. I believe it's a Southern Cross or something like that. The arrangement right here, it's on the Australia's flag or something. I have no idea. Or maybe it's New Zealand's flag or something. I have no idea. I'm gonna give this a 2 stars really. Sierra Leone. African national team kits are always very cool. Nigeria is a good one. Pretty Sierra Leone has some cool ones, you know. Very cool patterns and kind of inspired by their local culture, I guess. Very, very cool, very, very nice. I vibe with it. I vibe with it. Olympic Lioness. Oh, fucking hell. Where is the lion logo in this? It's just Carrefour on the supermarket. I miss Carrefour. They used to be in Singapore, but they moved out. Where is lion in this? It's just Team Carrefour or something. My god, what the fuck is this? Hideous. Flamingo. Classic 3 stars. Like a red hoops. Hannover 96. Wow, it's kind of bold actually. It has this. Oh god. It's very, very olden days design, isn't it? Like 2001. Very, very olden days. I kind of like it actually. I'll give it just about 3.5 stars. But as it is, I'll give it maybe 3 or 4 stars. You know, I can't give it half star. 4 stars, I guess. Oh no, 3 stars. 3 stars. Curious, I got a lot of good ones so far. Wow, okay, not bad. Chivas de Guadalajara is a Liga Max shirt, I believe. Bimbo, very, very flattering. Again, 3 stars, I believe. 3 stars. FSV Optic Retinal. This is German regional Liga. They actually got Nike to sponsor their kids. Wow. Oh, this is a template, I guess. Challenge 2. Nah. Template. I mean, it's a regional Liga team, so I can't really expect much. Chaves. Liga Portugal 2. It's simple. It's very simple. What is that logo though? I mean, it doesn't really match the logo, does it? Oh god, look at, oh wow, these kits are amazing. Oh god, they got a Dortmund inspired one as well. I will just give this a 3 stars functional one. Lacking flavor, like I would say, it doesn't really match up with the club colors. Huracan, is this Peruvian? No, it's Argentina. I love it, it's like a hot air balloon logo. I love this club's logo very much. Ooh, is there a subtle patterning on it? There is, so you can see the club's logo got a pattern onto it. That's kind of nice, very subtle actually. I kind of like that. 3 stars, very nice. No logos, not very messy, simple and easy. Querétaro 2019 away. Mexican, that's right. Wow, Banco actually means bank, I believe. Motiva, very nice shade of blue actually. Not bad. I like that. I'll give this a 3 stars, but let's see this. I'll give this a 3. 3.5 out of 3. SC Volendam. This one's German. Oh, it's Eredivisie. Ooh, I like Veronica. Like the logo is kind of nice actually. It's quite nice. What is the club logo? I don't know. I guess they didn't print it on or something. But I really like the pattern a lot. Give this a 4 stars. The Veronica FC. Let's go. For olden days one as well. It's like in the 90s. Fortuna Düsseldorf. Oh, I like how janky the club logo is. 3 stars. 3 stars. Fine. Ooh, we got an American one, Sporting Kansas City. Why is it black and red and really thin stripes, really? I don't know. Whenever I see black and red and stripes, I always think of Bayer Leverkusen. Just weird. I mean, this is technically Kansas City's colors, I believe. I think it's fine, 3 stars. I think it's GKK. I didn't even realize it's GKK. I feel it's always wrongly labeled though. It doesn't look like GKK. State rents. The solid pattern right here. I think it's fine. It's not amazing either, but 3 stars. FC Augsburg. 3 stars. Wow, okay. Let's take a close look at this. They remind me of hair strands in those hair commercials, where the hair is kind of bent backwards, and I don't know what I'm talking about. I like it. 3 stars. Very nice. Very nice. It's simple, it's good. I don't have anything to say. Nice enough. Ooh, Atletico Baleares. Nice shade of green. 3 stars. Hyundai logo. Very nice. New Hyundai logo as a matter of fact. Oh god, Napoli. Let's look at Napoli, shall we? It's a Puma logo and nothing to it. What the fuck is this? Well, it's kind of like American football, like rugby style numbers at the back. I kind of like this actually. It's kind of bold, daring, I believe. Let's go for one more. We've seen a lot. My mind is kind of like going haywire just to get all of these. You got little huts over here. It's part of the logo's crest or flag, I believe. 3 stars. That's good enough for me. Anything interesting to add off? Nope, it's a shitty blue kit. Thanks for watching. I'll see you guys next time.